Now that you have installed your Revit plugin, you will now need to connect your Revit project with your Anker project. So for this, I will go into this project called Euphemia. It's basically an empty project. Then I hit over to my Revit model. You see now I have the Anker plugin. You will need to click on user and log in. I have already logged in. You can see my Eric plus testing Anker DB. Then I can hit setup. I then click or select the project that I would like to connect my Revit model with. So Euphemia. You do have some settings here that I will go through later on, but for now we just click connect. Then you click next, and then you can select which property you would like to synchronize from your Revit model and over to Anker. For this you could just select them all, and then this works like a Revit schedule, so you have all your available parameters to the left. Then when you hit them over to the right, I actually need to click a few times because there are so many of the parameters. Alright, so then we get everyone over to the right side. And since these properties are not available or not created in your Anker project, you can see that the state is definition not found. And in order to Anker to create Anker parameters for these ones, you click this checkbox here, add missing definition to Anker. And then when you click next, Anker just gives you some information about how many elements, how many parameters and so on. And then you can just go ahead and click next again. And then the upload progress will start. You see how many seconds it takes. And then if you go back to your Anker project, you can see that this Revit model now appears under my files and is loading the sync. Okay, now the connection is done. I can click on logs just to be sure that everything worked correctly. I can see the last row. It says synced successfully. Another way to interact with your data is that you can head over to tables. I can create a table called all or everything or whatever. Then I see that I have 12,000 elements. And then you can start adding columns. So maybe first thing I do is file name. Second thing I actually do is go to category because I want to see how many elements are in my categories. I can edit, expand it. I can see how many elements are per category. I can sort this. Then I can add is type because this is saying if it's a type property or if it's an instance. So for this exercise, I only want to see the instances of my element. I select or filter this to false. Then I can see how many doors, floors, furnitures I have. You can also add more properties to your tables if you want to look. But yeah, this is how you connect your data and how you use the tables to look at the data.